Hi, I'm Asya, working at Studio Poldin. We started 9 years ago creating visual effects for movie industry. With years, we were expanding both our expertise and our team. Now we're a full-cycle production company creating multimedia installations for museums and exhibitions, architectural design for TV studios, and video content. We have created an impressive product which puts yours into transferred reality. Binocular Noon.
Hi, I'm Konstantin. I'm technical manager in Studio Poldin. Our binocular is a modern invention with its unique technical properties. You turn Noon at 360 degrees and you see panoramic content.
Sound background changes at the same time. Noon can be installed both indoors and outdoors.
It's weather and low temperature resistant and made of anti-vandal material.
Noon allows to extend reality, complement it. You can travel back in time and walk around the same place but centuries ago. Or you can fly over the city, find a building or place of interest you want. You can see a future city and see the buildings which are under construction. The content you see is interactive.
There are active spots focusing on which you see additional information about objects.
Speaking about historical panoramas, these are reconstructed pictures from the past animated with 3D characters.
We have developed such content from Moscow Museum of Archaeology.
Noon fascinates people. It always collects a line of viewers, whether it's in a museum where you can travel back in time or take a virtual trip, or at an exhibition where companies have a choice to promote their product, putting it into virtual reality. Branding can be integrated into the content. So, Noon extends your usual borders of perception. It tells a multi-content story to a viewer, and it serves all your needs.